Good evening, everyone. So today we are going to solve Kadane's algorithm, which is one of the most important questions being asked in data structures and algorithms. So just before we start with this question, I would like to have a short insight about Kadane's algorithm. What is Kadane's algorithm? Kadane's algorithm is used to find the maximum sum of a contiguous subarray in linear time. It works by iterating through the array and deciding at each step whether to continue the current subarray or start a new one. And the problem set statement here says given an integer array, add, you need to find the maximum sum of a subarray. So here's example: an array has been given contain the values 2, 3, 8, 7, minus 1, 2, 3. Output is 11. An explanation here says the subarray 7 minus 1, 2, 3 has the largest sum 11. And here I want to say is just consider if we consider this portion 2, 3 minus 8, then output would have been minus 3, which is not the largest sum. Find 7 minus 1, 2, 3, then the largest sum would have been 11. And so here the time complexity and space complexity is big O n and big O minus big O 1 respectively. So let's start with a code to see the solution. So here's the solution. I wrote a code, and as you have seen that all the test cases have been passed successfully. So let's dive into the explanation. So here is code. I use two variables, max so far and cur_max. The purpose of max so far is to keep track of the maximum subarray sum found so far. An initial value has been kept as the first element in the array. Similarly, same goes for cur_max, where I also initialize the first element in the array here, and the purpose here to represent the maximum subarray sum ending at the current index. And the purpose of this value is to get us updated as we move through the array. Then we use for loop, and inside the loop that it starts from index 1 because we already use index 0 to initialize max so far and cur_max. And here this line that decides should we start a new subarray at index I or extend the previous subarray by including add I. The better option becomes the new current max. And as far as max so far is concerned, if the new current max is greater than our previous recorded max so far, we update it, which ensures max so far always holds the best answer found at every step. And here we return max so far, which its purpose is to return the maximum sum of any contiguous subarray in the given array, which is the purpose of the given question. And I have shown the output. The output has been executed successfully, and as a result, all the test cases have been passed successfully with time complexity as big O n and space complexity as week 01. They were making it very efficient. So that's the video. Yeah, I hope you liked the video. If you want more coding based videos, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share to all other coding enthusiasts or other tech students, those who are preparing for placement drives. So here I sign off. Thank you.